What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this multi-time frame forecast. We're going to be going over USDCAD. Now, before we get into this, I want you guys to do one thing, and that's like this video. Not only does it support us, but it gives others the opportunity to see these videos as well. Now, we're going to be doing one thing a little bit different with these videos is we're going to be on the beginning of the week, the videos that we talk about, we're going to review again at the end of the week on Friday, just to see whether or not we were on track and if we were wrong, why we were wrong. Now, I was going to be doing some paper trading. Oh, look at it. It's actually working again. So what we'll do is we'll actually do some paper trading as well on the following videos, just because I need to get acquainted with the way we set it up. And what this will do is it'll allow us to not only see what we're doing, but also visualize the results of what we're doing as far as analysis. So we're going to do a free ball analysis on this particular trade because, as you can see, our anticipated structure and setup was actually nullified. We actually hit stop loss, as you can see here. So we're just going to review and revisit this particular trade accordingly. And what we're going to do, as always, is go to the monthly time frame, and we're just going to identify some critical areas of structure relative to where price is at, where it could potentially be going. And this is a pray and spray method, essentially. What we're doing is we're just trying to find as many peaks and valleys that are relevant. And then what we're going to be using is our extensions and other fibs, such as retracements, to figure out whether or not we have some valid structural zones that are relevant. So all of these structural zones clearly are valid. We're just looking for the most relevant ones to where price is at and where it could be going. Remember, candlesticks are like words and charts are like books. So these words are telling us a story, and the book is the story itself. We're just trying to predict where this story will end up. So with this particular trade, you can see that we broke through this area of structure right here, which was initiated, tested, confirmed, tested again, and then we ended up breaking through it significantly. So what we could be expecting is a retracement. So let's go swing high, swing low to look at a potential retracement. As we can see, we're seeing some reversal patterns right here. So this 50% fib aligns with this. So 50% on monthly, we'll do monthly, and is a fib of the monthly time frame, plus it is also structure, and this will also be monthly. So this right here is indicating that we could be seeing a potential reversal. Now, if that is the case, this is where we would be looking at placing our target. So let's just quickly do that real quick. And we're going to have two different trading opportunities available to us at the moment. So let's bring this fib back up here so we can know where to place our stop loss. And we need to zoom in a bit so we can know where we're going. And we're going to place our stop loss just above this 61 fib level, and it's just going to give us some breathing room. So we're actually going to move it above this 75. Perfect. So that is going to be our long-term pattern play. And let's take a look at our short-term play. So because this area of structure was significant, let's actually move this to the back because we want to pull this text. So this area of structure was significant previously, so that's why we're seeing a reversal zone. So we're going to do structure, and just to kind of get an understanding of what was going on, we can actually do this. Let's go back to the monthly. And unfortunately, there actually was nothing promising about this particular extension. Now, if we come back up here, we can see whether or not it was an extension. And look at that. This is a 128 extension. And this is going to be monthly. And this will also be monthly. kind of crazy to see how this stuff works, right, guys? Um, so let's delete some of these things because they are not that relevant to us right at the moment. We're only going to get confused. Okay, so because of this, what we're going to be looking for short term is going to be a buying opportunity right here. And we are already in the midst of that opportunity. So let's go down to the daily and see if we can. Let's go weekly first. And this is just going to be a straight structure play. Nothing too fancy here. We're just going to be trying to make it up to our entry zone. And the reason why um, is because this area of structure is significant, which means that we have a higher probability of it responding to structure as such. So this is going to be a 1 to basically 3.3 ratio, and this is going to be a 1 to 2.8 ratio. Now, remember, because this area of structure is significant, we might see some resistance at this 125 zone. So you guys should be at a break even point at that point already. So no need to be greedy. Close it out manually if you want, or you can just let it run its course, dynamically moving your stop loss so that you're taking profit as well. But right now, what we want to see is some sort of confirmation that we are going to go upward, because we still do have some bearish momentum. As you can see, we are testing this area of structure right here as resistance. So what we would like to see is it coming down here and testing this structure once more. And even if it's not being tested, it'd just be an opportunity for you to just buy a YOLO buy, just because of the fact that it is structure. On the shorter time frames, you want to be looking at 4 hour, even 30 minutes or hour, just so that you can get confirmations, just so you guys know. In these longer time frames, we're going to be looking at 4 hour and daily, just so you guys know. Basically, this is what we're looking at, guys. We want to confirm that this is going to be resistance, come down and look for a buying opportunity. Other than that, we're going to be looking for buying opportunities on the long term, or sorry, shorting opportunities, because we can see that we broke through structure already. We have an impulsive pattern to the downside, so we're just waiting for a retracement to continue this pattern. All right, this is oops. This is Canadian USD, and like I said, we are looking at two opportunities at this moment. Great opportunity for us to make some money on both ends of the market, buying and selling. And until Friday, I'll see you guys in the next video.